The journey of a razor blade begins with vast coils of specialized stainless steel arriving as raw material. These formidable coils are carefully unspooled, preparing the steel for its transformative journey. The steel strip undergoes a meticulous cleaning process, removing impurities to ensure optimal performance. To prepare the steel for precise manipulation, it passes through an annealing furnace, softening its molecular structure. Within the controlled environment of the furnace, the steel is heated to precise temperatures, altering its crystalline structure. Emerging from the furnace, the still glowing steel is rapidly cooled, setting its new properties. Next, the wide steel strip is precisely slit into narrower ribbons, each destined to become a series of blades. Micro-precision blades ensure a clean and accurate cut, minimizing material waste. These narrower strips are then carefully recoiled, ready for the next stage of shaping. Automated systems meticulously transfer these coils to the punching presses, maintaining a continuous flow. Powerful presses stamp out the rough blade blanks, creating their distinctive shape and essential mounting holes. Each press cycle delivers a forceful, precise impact, shaping the raw steel with high accuracy. The newly formed blade blanks accumulate in collection bins, awaiting the crucial sharpening process. A vibratory conveyor system precisely aligns and transports the blanks to the first grinding stations. The initial grinding stage roughly bevels the blade edges, creating the fundamental angle. Robotic arms ensure consistent and precise feeding of each blade blank into the grinding machinery. Under a cascade of coolant, grinding wheels aggressively remove material, sculpting the blade's form. A second, finer grinding stage refines the bevels, bringing the blade closer to its ultimate sharpness. After grinding, the blades undergo a thorough cleaning, removing any abrasive particles or coolant residue. Hot air jets then swiftly dry the blades, preparing them for the delicate honing and coating processes. Precision honing machines apply a microscopic polish, perfecting the blade's cutting edge at a molecular level. Automated optical inspection systems scan each blade's edge for any imperfections, ensuring uncompromising quality. Blades then enter a vacuum chamber for advanced coating, where durability and glide are enhanced. Inside the chamber, a specialized plasma process bonds the protective coating directly to the blade's surface. Emerging from coating, the blades possess an enhanced finish, ready for final inspection. A final, meticulous cleaning bath ensures the blades are absolutely pristine before packaging. Powerful air knives remove every last trace of moisture, leaving the blades gleaming and sterile. An automated sharpness test rigorously evaluates the cutting edge, confirming its readiness for use. Human technicians provide a final discerning eye, performing meticulous checks under magnification. The finished blades are then precisely stacked into neat bundles, preparing for individual wrapping. High-speed machinery swiftly wraps each blade individually, protecting its delicate edge. The heat sealing process secures each blade within its protective wrapper, preventing contamination. Wrapped blades are then carefully grouped and loaded into their plastic dispenser cartridges. Automated systems then seal the cartridges, securing the blades within their final consumer packaging. Each package receives its unique batch code and date stamp, ensuring full traceability. Robotic arms efficiently pack the finished cartridges into larger display boxes, ready for shipping. Automated palletizing cells neatly stack the cartons onto pallets, optimizing them for transport. Forklifts carefully transport the completed pallets to the warehouse, a testament to industrial efficiency. Vast warehouses store the finished razor blades, awaiting distribution to consumers worldwide. From raw steel to retail-ready product, every razor blade embodies precision engineering and meticulous craftsmanship.